For all you hardcore PlayStation fans, this unboxing's for you. The PlayStation Icons Lite by Paladone. Designed by a longtime geek accessory maker, Paladone, the PlayStation Icons Lite are an official licensed product that feature the triangle, circle, cross button, and square icon lights that you find on DualShock controllers. Made out of plastic, these lights have two primary modes, either on or off. When placed in the on setting, you have three sub-modes to choose from: standard lighting, color phasing, or music reactive. To get the show going, Paladone provides a micro USB cable that can be connected to the back. Though no USB wall charger is provided, you'll have to get that on your own. Underneath, you'll find a battery bay that's held shut via a Phillips screw. Those wanting to utilize batteries will need 3 AA batteries. Thanks again for watching this video unboxing of the PlayStation Icons Lite by Paladone. If you guys want to see me do more video unboxing and reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button, as well as the bell notification to be notified when my next video goes live, as well as the like button if you actually liked this video. And even if you didn't, it'd be cool if you hit it anyways. And for all of you on the socials out there, make sure to heart and share and do all that good socially stuff to make me feel nice and warm.